Hazrat Ali described about relatives as Akbahul Ma'asi Qatiyatul Raham. The worst sin is the separation from the relatives. Halulu Nikami fi Qatiyatul Raham. This phenomena brings suffering. Adawatul Aqaribi Amaddu min Las'il Aqarib. The enmity of close relatives is more painful than the sting of a scorpion. Relatives should meet one another. It causes for the blessings. Stay apart from relatives brings distress. Akrim Ashirataka. Respect your nation and tribe. فَإِنَّهُمْ جَنَاحُكَ الَّذِي بِهِ تَطِيرُ. Because they are such wings and hair from whom you fly. وَاسُكَ الَّذِي إِلَيْهِ تَصِيرُ. And are such foundations whom you take sport. وَيَادُكَ الَّتِي بِهَا تَصُورُ. They are your hands and arms from whom you attack. He said, the members of the house which are united and meet one another, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants them sustenance even if they are sinners. And the members of the house who quarrel among themselves and don't meet one another, then Allah Almighty deprives them from sustenance even if they are pious. Hazrat Ali said to his companion Nauf Bakali as, Ya Naufa, Sir Rahmaka Yazidullahu fi Umrika. O Nauf, meet your relatives. In this way, your age will be increased. Once Hazrat Ali asked Imam Hassan, my beloved son, what is chieftainship? On hearing this, Imam Hassan replied, to do assistance to fulfill the needs of nation and tribe is chieftainship. Man zayya'ahul aqrabu utiya lahul ab'adu. One who leaves close ones will find aliens. He mentioned, many a brother was not given birth to by your own mother. In relationship, protecting love is the noblest trait.